Hi guys, I'm Eliza, Leigh, Serna from So Cal Pinoy and Sama Ka Na events. We are here at 509 West Commonwealth Avenue in Fullerton for our It's a Holiday Caravan.
All right, so where are you going to take us first?
We are going to go to So Cal Sisig first.
Okay.
So Cal Sisig has been a staple vendor with us. They do bangus sisig, pork sisig, chicken sisig, and kakanin like pichi-pichi.
That's it.
Oh, they have empanadas and siopaw as well.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, so
Yeah.
tell me about this event. Why do you do this event?
So it started with because I have Happy Talk
Uh-huh.
and I'm doing meetups.
Okay.
And then I was thinking if there's more vendors, there's gonna be more customers. And we kind of try to help each other.
Of course.
So it's like a bayanihan movement. We try to sell items that are non-competing with each other. So that's basically how I choose the vendors when I do the caravans. And it just started from there and it became bigger and bigger as Christmas starts to be nearer. Yeah.
So now, let me ask you this. I'm sure that a lot of people are probably thinking this. Why do this during the pandemic?
Well, people still need to eat, right?
Really?
And
Yeah, I
yes,
know.
we need to eat and we also need to help each
Like
other.
every day?
Yes. We need to help each other because
Right.
a lot of people lost their jobs or are not doing so well financially. And so we try to be helping all of our So Cal Pinoy vendors, and
Right.
that's also one of the reasons why we keep on doing it. We try to be very COVID safe. Everybody's wearing masks. We have hand sanitizers on every table, and so people should know that we are doing everything that we can to make it as safe as possible for everybody.
Right. Okay. And then now, why help each other?
Well, it's a culture, I think. You know,
Why do you say it's a cultural
it's
thing?
a Filipino culture to help each other. Bayanihan is very popular in our culture.
Right.
We want to be able to lift each other up, especially during difficult times like this. This is a
Right.
great opportunity to show everybody the good in our culture.
So basically, instead of taking this bad situation, you found a situation to help each other, to turn it into something positive.
Yes, definitely. I think it's just not me. Everybody is trying to do their best
Right,
to help
right.
each
It's a
other.
very Filipino thing.
Yes, yes.
So I mean, the only solution to get through this is to get through this together.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, wonderful.
Exactly.
And then, so how often do you do this?
Almost every week, but
Okay.
I'm sure a lot of people are taking a break after the holidays, but there will always be meetups, like not as big as this. And I post it every Friday on the So Cal Pinoy group or on my personal Facebook profile.
All right, wonderful. And where can they find this So Cal Pinoy group?
It is on Facebook
Uh-huh.
and on Instagram. So on Facebook, it's So Cal Pinoy, Inland Empire, with 25,000, almost 26,000 members. So if
And I bet you they're all related.
yes,
Filipinos,
yes.
so.
And we are also on Instagram, IG at So Cal Pinoy. And if you want to follow my caravan events, it's also at Pinoys in America IG.
Wonderful. Okay, thank you so very much.
Thank you, Francis.